Lamborghini Urus SE 2025 EKSIA SUV high Joe performance or luxury KOEK NAE level takla yachty high. Isgari car design peli nazar main high diljit lita high. Red color main ya car or B zyada. Aggressive or sporty lagti high. Iske sharp front, end. LED headlights or muscular body lines. Uski power KO reflect kart hain. Lamborghini knee is bar design key. Sath efficiency or comfort par B focus kiya high. Jaise ya car ha angle say perfect. Nazar othai dot interior keybot corin to anda yachty high premium feel multi high. Black or red leather key combination. Main seats D gaya hain. Jonah sirf comfortable hain. Balki sporty B dict hain. Digital dashboard, carbon fiber finishing, or Lamborghini kiye, iconic steering wheel, Iske style or technology, Dono Dakata, high hard choti detail, KO perfection, sath, bana gaya high. Infotainment system, B latest features sath loaded Joe, driving experience KO, or B smooth or enjoyable, bana deta, hai. Performance, K manly main. Lamborghini Urus SE 2025 kisi se kam nahi. Isma powerful hybrid engine, la gaya haicho. Petrol or electric dono mode main kam kata high. Yeah SUV 0 say 100 km/h tak surf kutch seconds main patak yachty high. Iske adaptive suspension system ha road par smooth drive provide kata high che highways hoya rough terrains. Is car main safety features be top notch. Hain high's advanced braking system, lane assist, AUR multiple airbags. Lamborghini Urus SE 2025 surf ek gaari nahi ek statement high. Joe log style. Performance or comfort exoth chait hain unklai. Yeah best option high. Iske red exterior or high-tech interior. Uski presence KO or B zyada bold banata high. Yeah kaha jaga attention grab kati high or ha ride KO ek unforgettable experience main badal deti high.